you doing in here? Pain in the ass. What's up, guys? Today we're under the hood of my 68 Bug. Reason being is the hydraulic strut that holds this up died, and took some digging to figure out which one it was, and apparently it was one of those kits made for a steel bug hood. It's a weird one where they're just, you know, bolts. They don't use the ball and socket like most modern ones do. And they wanted $50. I'm like, that kind of crap. So I picked up a pair for 25. These guys right here. Yeah, you can't see the number, but it was Amazon. It was $20, $22, whatever. 8-inch to 12-inch. That was the travel of the old one, and I got ones that were pretty low powered. These are only 24-pound struts. I figure it'll either just be one, and 24 pounds will be fine, or we'll use both, and that'll be good too. The only downside is that I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of in shadow, and I'll come around this side. There we go. These holes are a little small. This one was drilled out for the strut that was there on the other side. You can see it's even smaller. So what we're gonna do is drill these out, put the sockets in, or the balls in, on both sides, because there's a place down here somewhere. Yeah, can't see shit, but there's a place down there somewhere that it attaches to too, so I'm gonna have to do it on both sides. So let's get to it. Okay, so there's the bottom. It's actually a pin. I don't know if it's in focus, I can't tell, and it's kind of rounded, and I just checked, and the bottom, the socket on the strut will fit, so I think we're gonna go ahead and reuse that. And then I just need to drill that out. There we go. Okay, so I am going to have to put the nut on there. All right, that works. There we go. There we go. Good. Let's get this bottom one on first and then push you on. There. Oh yeah. That one is great. Or not. That's funny. Okay, well, I know we need to do the other side too, I guess. I gotta put the clip on that bottom one now. Where'd the clip go? Here it is. So there we are. And that sticks out a little bit right here, but I'm okay with that. Let's go do the other side. Okay. Ha. Yep. Perfect. And let's get you. Alrighty. Look at that. Now let's see what it looks like to push it down. Oh, that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Looks good. You're bending out a little bit. Oh, blood. Well, you ain't working on a car if you ain't drawing blood. Alright. Yeah, that's better. Alright. That's it. That was super easy. And it'll make filling up the gas a lot easier too. Yeah, that was not fun. Holding up the hood with my head. Alright. Let's do this again. That's awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I guess that's it for now. We'll see you guys.